Hi everyone, welcome to another short video announcement. Hope you're having a great week. As you know, Module 3 Part 1, we have been talking about in our small groups about what guiding principle we want to adopt as our group motto and the rule that we'll use as the guiding principle as we go forward to create the group project. So thank you for those who posted that on the main discussion board. Remember, you're also needing to kind of come up with some preliminary roles for each member and just go through the process that is in the course module for this first part of the group assignment. We're going to be working on this over the next couple of weeks, not always continuously, but hopefully for the groups that are coming up with a good idea for their final project, the group project. Those seeds can be planted now, and you guys can get busy on different parts of what you want to accomplish. Then you'll have a little time to do that before you bring it all together and turn it in as hopefully a really good group project at the end of the process. So we're just starting that process now. I know there's some groups where the students have not yet gotten into the small group discussion yet, so I encourage every student to please do that. They need to know that you're there, that you're available, and what you can do to add to the group. If as a group you're having trouble coming up with a plan, or you have questions, please have one person, nominate one person to be in contact with me that can ask me those kind of questions, and then they can disseminate the answers to your small group that way. So that's going on as well. You need to start thinking about your second IDP draft. It's the final due date for that is coming up in early March, but it's actually kind of an ongoing assignment starting in this module part 1. And the assignment is, first of all, to finish completing your IDP if you haven't done that, so that all 21 upper division credits should be listed and justified. All your learning outcomes, the service learning outcome, and the program outcome should all be filled out as well. Please use the comments that I made on the first draft to help you do that. If you have questions, talk to me about that. And then once you have completed that, you need to set up an appointment with your advisor or with the MDS director, Vicki Budd. She's handling some of the advising appointments during the semester. As some of you know, one of our advisors has just given birth, so she's out of the office for a few more weeks. And so in the meantime, Vicki will be helping out in that capacity. So as part of the email you see tonight, there's instructions on who your advisor is, who you should contact. But once you've filled out the IDP, then make an appointment with the person you're going to be talking with about that. The appointments should all be finished by March 3rd, which means your IDP should be filled out by that time. And please do submit that IDP at least 24 hours before your scheduled meeting. So as you can see, I have more information about that in the announcement, and it's also in the course module. So just keep on top of that. Don't wait till the last minute. Appointments may be filling up that last week is what I'm guessing may happen. So get yours done early. If you've got your IDP finished, completed at this point, doesn't have to be perfect, but at the point where it is all completely filled out, make an appointment with one of those ladies and get that part of the IDP process done. Coming up in Module 3 Part 2 that opens tomorrow, we're going to finish reading Wise Beyond Your Field. So if you haven't done that yet, please do that. We're going to be looking into multiple intelligences, which is kind of along the lines of emotional intelligence, which we talked about earlier, but just different ways that people are smart. So different ways they interact using their feelings, emotional intelligence, and then different ways that that we all have intelligence and can show that. So we'll be talking about that, looking at that a little bit, and then you'll be continuing to work on your group project. So I'm giving you a little time in this next section to kind of get your group project going, to get your IDPs filled out, all of these tasks that are kind of ongoing. I want you to use the time well to get those done. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. You can always email me or give me a call, and I'll give you a call back if I don't answer the phone right away. So if I don't hear from you, I will definitely see you online, and I hope you have a great weekend, great President's Day. Thanks.